Was made.
Yes po. Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. May problema kayo dyan.
Pagkakaalam ko po, nasa AIP.
With that, Mr. Chairman, I would like to ask the good mayor to provide us all the documents pertaining to the annual investment plan prior to the approval of the 45 million for the purchase of the property. Ang second, Mayor Poncelan, you asked for this for the authority to purchase the property.
Opo.
Is it always the procedure of the municipality of San Simon to right away ask for the authority to procure a property, considering that the first procedure that we need to do prior to the procurement is to ask an authority to negotiate. That's the right procedure Kasi hindi ka medyo parang humingi ka ng authority para bumili na. But kami normally ginagawa natin diyan sa tax code sa LGU is for us to ask authority to negotiate para makita natin kung ano yung mga requirements doon sa bibili nating lupa. Why you deem it right to get an authority to procure right away? Ba't hindi po tayo humingi ng resolution to negotiate muna? Kasi that's the normal thing to do.
Actually po, dalawa po yung yung authority and the ratification of the ordinance no.
Hindi, okay, hindi po 'yun ang tanong ko,
Okay,
Mr. Mayor.
okay po.
Ang tanong ko po is pag tayo po ay gumagawa ng request sa Sangguniang Bayan, tatanungin po natin ng Sangguniang Bayan, "Hoy, Sangguniang Bayan, bigyan niyo ako ng otoridad kasi magne-negotiate ako, bibili tayo ng property para sa ganitong ganyan." Ayan. So, yun po yung una, magne-negotiate muna po tayo. 'Di ba? Mga potential na bibilhin kasi 45 million 'to, 'di ba? Ano yung mga bibili natin lupa, yung mga potential na mura, makakamura tayo at magiging property na ng munisipyo. Negotiate muna. Pero dito sa resolution mo, procurement agad ang ginawa ninyo tapos binili nyo na. So, ang tanong ko, bakit hindi nyo muna kayo gumawa ng resolution to negotiate? Which is the right procedure? Ano pong sagot natin dito, Mayor?
Siguro po doon sa bagay na yun may pagkukulang since I am a neophyte mayor no.
First time, Mayor,
first time ko po
during
mayor
the
yan.
time.
Opo.
Sino po ang budget officer nyo? Sino po ang treasurer nyo? Sino po ang accountant ninyo? Andito po ba?
Yung treasurer po nandito tsaka yung accountant.
Roel Maniaco, Municipal Treasurer.
Yes, matagal ka na po sa bilang treasurer sa San Simon?
2017 po, Your Honor.
2017 lang. Okay. So, do you know that kind of process to file a resolution for negotiation first? Because yun yung unang ginagawa Hindi agad procurement
Sa pag-purchase po ng lote, lupa, hindi po ako aware masyado sa mga requirements po.
Hindi mo alam ang mga requirements?
Saan po hindi?
Ha? Yes, Chair.
Yes po.
Okay. So, okay. Itong pondo na kinuha na 45 million sa pambili ng property do sa adjacent property lot sa munisipyo, is this included in your AIP?
Your Honor, siguro po yung budget officer, yung pwede sumagot.
But you are the treasurer, you should know the AIP. Asan ang budget officer natin?
Wala. Hindi.
May we ask the budget officer, Mr. Chairman, to be invited on the next hearing? Pero basically, Mayor, kasama ba sa AIP? Itong annual investment plan, yung ating pong pag-purchase ng 45 million? Pag muna natin puntahan yung maling procurement, yung may anomalous. Tingnan muna natin kung nasa tama po kayo nung pagbili nung lupang yon, kung ito'y nasa annual investment plan nyo. Nasa annual investment plan ba? Yes. Paki-off yung... Paki-patay. Ano yun? Paki-off.
Opo, pagkakaalam ko po nasa AIP.
With that, Mr. Chairman, I would like to ask the good mayor to provide us all the documents pertaining to the annual investment plan prior to the approval of the 45 million for the purchase of the property. Ang second question ko po, have you...
Chairman, that should be addressed to the OIC mayor because
okay.
he's now the OIC
Sige,
mayor.
can you kindly submit us yung annual investment plan? During that time that this resolution was approved, when was this?
Hindi ko pa rin po, kasi po, hindi pa po,
Kailan ba itong purchase itong property to?
2022 pa lang po.
2020. So 2022 ka lang naupo.
Opo, 2020
Ay, ano
pa.
ka ng 2020?
Pangkaraniwan mamamayan lang po tayo ng 2020.
So you were elected in 2022.
2022 po bilang first councilor po ng bayan ng San
So now
Juan.
that you are the mayor, please provide us, no?
Yes po. Yes po.
Please provide us the documents pertaining to the annual investment plan,
Yes po.
no? Certified yan dapat, ano? Kung included tong 45 million sa annual investment plan. Sa annual budget nyo, Mayor, sinama nyo po ba to? Treasurer, alam mo to. Kasi annual budget yan eh. Pag annual budget, syempre, alam natin. Kaya yung pondo para sa taon eh, alam natin to eh. Di ba? Kasama ba 45 million? Yes or no? Mike, please.
Your Honor, kasi po may trabaho po doon yung budget
Hindi,
officer.
national ka, alam mo yan. Siyempre, yung annual budget eh, ikaw gumagawa niyan eh. Siyempre, pondo mo para sa taon ng 2020. Alam mo kung saan palalagay yung perang yun.
Your Honor, ako po kasi binibigay ko yung certified income target po sa budget officer. Yung budget officer po, siya pong...
Siya maglalagay.
Opo, siya
Pero
pong
siyempre,
maglalagay.
nakikita mo yung buong budget pag aprobado na yan, di ba? Yung annual budget.
Hindi
Siyempre,
po,
treasurer kaya alam mo kung saan nakikita mo. Ito yung pera na kinokolekta ko. Ito yung pinuntahan. Di ba? Nagba-budget sila, lalagay ng budget officer. Ito yung pupuntahan. Pero ikaw nangongolekta ng pera at alam mo kung saan pupunta yung pera para sa taong ito. Di ba?
yung pong nag-aalat, Your Honor, yung pong budget officer.
Okay, anyway. Also, the budget officer, please be reminded that you have to submit to us, no? Yung, kung ano yung mga pinocure, kung ano yung mga nilagay doon sa annual budget nyo nung taon ng 2020, no? So, para malaman po namin kung paano nyo ginamit yung 45, kung saan nyo kinuha yung 45 million. Kasi, is this, Mayor Punsalan, is this 45 million for the purchase of that parcel of land, no? Alam natin kung saan natin kinuha to. Anong pondo ang pinagkuha natin ng 45 million?
Unang-una po, may budget pong pagkakaalam ko is 25 million initially. Then nag-supplemental po kami.
Ayun.
Yan.
So, in other words,
budget
meron kang
po siya.
budget ng 25 tapos nag-supplemental
Nag-supplement
kayo
po.
ng additional 20 million para
Yes.
for the full
For the
purchase
purchase
of the property
of
of
the property.
45 million.
Tama po yan.
Can you kindly submit to us yung supplemental budget for the additional 20 million? Kung meron kayong 25 million, o yan, naalala na ni Mayor, may 25 million na nakalagay sa annual budget. So, yung sa annual budget na 25 million, submit to us na nakalagay specific for that property. Is that a specific amount, 25 million for that property? Naka-specific yun doon sa adjacent municipal lots?
Opo, specific po yan kasi binudget namin siya.
Okay, in that case, kasama na yun sa AIP, kasama na yun sa
Kaya
annual budget.
kasama po siya.
And kasama yon sa tinatawag nating APP, Annual Procurement Plan.
Yes,
Okay,
kasama po.
submit that to us. Lahat yun, we wanted to see. No?
Your Honor, wala po akong access ngayon.
Okay,
Siguro
sige,
maybe
Mayor,
the
I'm sorry.
government officer in charge can provide you a copy of that documents. No?
Okay, oo, sige, salamat. So for the meantime, yun na muna ang, antayin ko na muna, Mr. Chairman, yung lahat ng mga documents so we can find out kung paano nila nalabas yung 45 million. Okay, thank you so much.
The OIC Mayor is directed to submit all the documents that was requested by Chairman Dan Fernandez.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank
I
you.
will do that po.
Anyway, in this particular transaction that was requested by Mayor Poncelan, during the time, council members kayo, si the deceased Vice Mayor Wong. Tama? Paki-raise na lang yung hand, yung lahat ng mga SB member during the time in this particular transaction. Okay. Now, giving authority to the mayor, dapat kompleto yung mga dokumento po. Tama po?
Actually po, giving authority to the mayor to purchase land,
Huwag natin i-shortcut. Giving authority supposedly to negotiate.
yes.
Tama? Okay. So-
Actually, wala pa po yung requirements nun.
Wala pa.
Opo.
Tapos,
And then,
pero specific dapat kung saan ang lupa.
yes po.
So,
That's why-
in that request, nandun yung
Nandun naman po
specifically
yung mga titles.
titles.
Yes po.
Kompleto.
Opo.
Ito pong issue na ito it pertains to the purchase of 32 lots. Tama po ba? Sino ang pwedeng sumagot nun?
Um,
Kasi dapat alam niyo kung sino man ang mga membro ng Sangguniang Bayan members dito dahil meron kayong resolution na ipinasa on 4 February 2020.
Yes.
Please,
Thir-
proceed.
33 lots.
Oh, so hindi 32, sorry. So 33 lots. Okay. And as I've said, on 4 February 2020, a resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Abundio Esponsalan Jr., to purchase the lots surrounding the municipal hall for the purpose of expanding the seat of government. The said resolution was passed and approved on the same day per research ng aking researcher. Tama po ba?
Please answer.
Can I repeat the question?
On 4 February 2020, a resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Abundio S. Ponsalan Jr. to purchase the lot surrounding the municipal hall for the purpose of expanding the seat of government was passed. The said resolution was passed and approved on the same day. This is resolution number 20-06.
Please answer.
Yes,
Naipasa ba ito?
Your Honor, yung February 20,
February 4.
February 4.
February 4 muna.
Oh, yung ano po yung giving the authority to negotiate. First,
No, ang title ng resolution na in-approve ninyo is resolution number 20-06. Tama?
authorizing to negotiate.
Authorizing the municipal mayor to purchase itong na-research ng kuwan ko.
No, sir.
It was, according to the research conducted by my researcher, it was even certified as urgent by Mayor Ponsalan. Kaya ako ko tinatanong, totoo ba ito?
Anyway, before the Vice Mayor Santos will answer, SP Secretary, ito nga, ikaw tatanungin ko, ano ba talaga yung laman yung SP resolution na yun? With regards to giving authority to the mayor, purchase ba o to negotiate?
Mayroon yung pong there's a resolution authorizing the mayor to purchase.
Purchase.
Oo. Bakit hindi po niyo masagot, Vice Mayor Santos?
Sir, pagkakaalam ko po kasi dalawang resolution yung binigay namin kay Mayor. One is the first, authorizing the mayor to negotiate to purchase land.
Anong
For the
reso number
purchase
yun?
of land. 06.
06?
Yes.
Reso number 20-06.
06.
Eh yung purchase.
And then comes Feb 20, resolution number 20-012, resolution ratifying the purchase of lots.
That was February
20.
20? Baka problema mo, 2020 ah.
Yes.
February 20, 2020?
20, hindi. Draft resolution number 20-012. February, Feb 20.
Feb 20?
Yes, sir.
O baka
Yes,
mali.
sir.
You check your record kasi dito ang payments was made February 12, 2020.
Yes, that's
So,
why
before the reso was passed, may payments na ginawa?
nauna yung ano,
Yung payments.
Opo.
Oh,
That's why,
the same case sa Mexico, Pampanga. Ay, nako.
no,
Hinabol na lang. Ang labas dito, Mr. Chairman, my only observation is, hinabol na lang yung resolution because the payment was already done prior to the approval of such resolution. Eh, problema nyo yan.
yun po yung katanungan ko.
Nako.
Kaya nga, tinatanong ko po sa inyo eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now,
Chairman, with the indulgence of Chairman. Isa lang, Chairman. So you confirm now that the payment was made before? You confirm now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Sir. Tama po ba yung statement ni Vice Mayor Santos? That the payment was made February 12 before the ordinance was made.
Yes po. Yes po,
Confirm.
Your Honor.
Okay. May problema kayo dyan. Ha? Anyway, Chairman, before I proceed, before Chairman Ako will proceed, SB Secretary, please submit to us, to this committee, the pertaining resolution